Hi there guys, Farrington here, your go-to guy for all things crypto, mining and passive income. In this video I'm going to be speaking to you guys in regards to the DeepLink Protocol. They've currently just done and launched their node sale at this specific moment in time. The nodes themselves are currently going for 38 USDT at this specific moment in time, and for purchasing one of these nodes, each node at this specific point is now kicking out an airdrop of worth over $90 per node. Now don't just take my word for it, I'm going to be leaving you guys some links down in the description if you do want to purchase yourself a node or go through the docs to read a little bit more into this. So each node receives an additional airdrops of 30,000 DLC. Each DLC right now is worth 0.003, so which is a third of a pence, and if you times that in the calculator, that works out to $90 for this 30,000 DLC. So that basically means if we take a look down here, currently at the moment you can purchase the tier 2 nodes. These tier 2 nodes are costing 38 USDT at this point, and you can see as well, if you purchase one of these nodes for that price, you'll be then given 30,000 DLC when the airdrop happens. And then also as well, the minimum amount of DLC mined per node is going to be 100,000 DLC, and the initial starting price was 30 USD, and the maximum price is going to be 155 USD. And like I say guys, if there was ever a point that's worth getting involved into a project, it would be now, because like I say guys, there's a lot of projects that offer some airdrops that are not looking as good as these are looking. And like I say, for myself personally right now, I'm going to be purchasing 3 of these nodes in for today's video, and let's do some research on DeepLink Protocol. Let's have a look through their docs, let's have a look through the website, let's see why I'm going to be grabbing myself one of these nodes, let's see what the project's about, and let's go from there. So DeepLink Protocol, decentralized AI cloud gaming protocol. DeepLink Protocol makes cloud game development easier than ever. Currently they're in phase 5 at this specific moment, and they currently have a public sale going on at the moment, and weekly prizes of 10k currently going at the moment. They do have a trailer at this specific point that's worth watching. I'm not going to throw that through for you guys right now, but you can, like I said, look through the links I'm going to leave you guys down in the description, and you can watch those from there. DeepLink actually offers a service and has utility. So what we're seeing here is right now is their cloud gaming service in action. So right now each of these computers, so this laptop and this desktop setup, is within a distance of 50 kilometers apart, and the person with the low end system is receiving 1 milliseconds of ultra low latency. They've got high resolution if they have the screen capability for it, no lag, no disconnection, high stability. Of course you're going to need good net speed for this, but at the end of the day you can actually set this up with a very low end, you know, bad CPU, bad GPU type of PC that you've got from grandma. You can set that up with DeepLink Cloud and actually start to be able to play games, you know, in, you know, like I said, ultra low latency, no lag, no disconnections, no issues, no high end graphics card, like, you know, something like what I've got in my system here with a 3090 with a 2k investment. You know, you can just pay for a monthly service for this and then actually be able to start to, you know, use their cloud gaming services. Now, like I say guys, this all ties in with the node project, so like I say, you can see exactly that these guys have got a lot of things going on in the background. So you can see here as well that they have the remote control with the DeepLink and the DeepLink.cloud, and you can see that they have the cloud internet cafes. So this is a very interesting project with a lot of things going on at this specific moment in time, and I would recommend for every single one of you that are interested in grabbing yourself one, because like I said, for the sake of 38 USDT, it's worth just seeing if, you know, if it's right or whether it's wrong. But I personally think that it is going to go well, and the people that are actually attached and with the project is very good. You can see they have a good strong roadmap going on right now, and as you can see, they have been going since 2020, and they've hit every single one of their goals and everything that they've wanted to achieve within that period of time. But if you look over at their team and advisors, you can see some great and amazing faces there, but we also have Summer from the Fire Hustle YouTube channel, which I think she's absolutely amazing and she's great. You know, she's looked at this project and she's thought to herself, right, this is something that I like, I want to get involved in this. She's put her own money where her mouth is, she's invested in this herself, and like I say, you know, going forward in the future, you may even see me invest in some projects that are similar and just like this myself. But like I say, the people that are working with this project, it seems absolutely great. They've got a lot of community, a lot of events going on, and like I say, they have a lot of giveaways. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump over now and let's talk about purchasing ourselves one of these nodes, because that's what we're here to do today. I'm going to be grabbing myself 3 of these nodes. I'm going to be showing you guys exactly exactly how to purchase one of these nodes, and then I'm also going to be showing you guys an update video in, let's say, a few weeks to a few months when the nodes actually start to pay out, and we'll go from there. Okay, so let's look at the nodes a little bit more, and let me give you guys a little bit more of a understanding. So these nodes themselves are not like some of the other digital nodes that you may have seen me showcase on the channel. These nodes themselves do require some computing power. So you can choose whether it's for the CPU traffic side of it, or you can choose whether it's going to be for the GPU side of things. And the more that their network grows, the more equipment and more people that they're going to need on board for this to be more of a stable and steady network. But as you can see, if you go through all the information that is on the screen right now, you'll be able to actually have more of an understanding. But like I say, guys, you can see that they started at 30 USDT. It's now currently on the 38 USDT at this specific point. In this video, like I say, guys, I am going to purchase myself 3 of these myself. But one thing that, like I say, has excited me, and I mentioned this pretty much at the start of the video, is that each node receives an additional airdrop of 30,000 DLC. And like I said, for the price for that, if we take ourselves back over to the DeepLink.cloud, take ourselves over to their public sale. Now on the public sale page, if we actually scroll down, you can see it shows us the DLC price. 1 DLC equals 0.003. Now if you was to take us back to the actual node page itself, and we actually look at the price, and for the 30,000 DLC, and we times that by the price, that works out to be $90. So that means each node that we're going to purchase, in a nutshell, means that we're going to earn, you know, a nice tasty $90 per node. Hence why I'm going to grab myself 3 of these just to be steady. I am potentially considering to maybe put $1,000, maybe put $2,000 into this, but I do want to make sure that it's all going just fine. But like I said, I'm already excited about the project, so that's not a big worry. But like I said, for the sake of today's video, I'm just going to purchase 3 of these just to be on the steady side. But to purchase these nodes is very, very simple. All you need to do is press on the purchasing option there, type in the amount of nodes that you would like to buy. So for myself at this specific point, I'm going to be buying 3 nodes, and those 3 nodes is going to cost me 114 USD. You have a choice in paying in DBC or a choice in paying in USDT. Like I say, to keep things simple, I'm going to use the USDT. I'm going to press on the confirm option from here. Give this a few moments, and then this will pop up a MetaMask, transaction option for you. I'm going to press on the confirm from here. Sorry guys, you can't actually see this on your screen right now because I am just focused on the actual browser itself, but I have just confirmed on the MetaMask. So give that a few moments for the transaction to go through, and from there I should have successfully purchased. And there we are, transaction is confirmed. So that basically means that I currently hold and have 3 nodes at this specific point. And like I say, guys, very, very easy to purchase. And that also means that I've now got myself in for the chance to receive 90,000 DLC. I think that's great. I think that's awesome. I love getting involved in some of these airdrops. I love some of these projects where they actually have some utility, because like I said, this is AI, this is DeepIn, this is cloud gaming, and this is going to be using your GPU and it's going to be using your CPU. I'm not sure why that option's not also there as well. But like I said, guys, I would recommend every single one of you look through the links I'm going to leave you down in the description. Make sure to check over all their social medias and see exactly why I'm as excited as I am for this project. So there we have it, guys. That is my overview of the DeepLink Protocol nodes. Like I said, I've had a bit of a run through throughout the whole video of the actual project itself, so make sure you do watch the video all the way through to make sure you learn everything that you need to know before jumping yourself involved. And if you do decide to get yourself involved, guys, please make sure to use the link that I'm going to leave you guys at the top of the description. If you don't want to, that's perfectly fine, but I would appreciate it. Does support the channel going forward. And like I say, guys, the thing that's exciting me the most about this is at this specific moment in time, for when this node has just been released, like I said, you get a 30,000 DLC, which is going to be $90, and that's before the mining actually starts on the actual nodes itself. So just to even purchase the nodes, you're getting $90 just for getting involved. I think it's absolutely great, and I would recommend checking over on their Twitter profiles, check throughout their Discord, check out throughout Telegram. They're very, very active right now on social media, and I think I'm going to leave it there, guys. I'm going to be doing another video on these guys going forward in the future. future, I'll update you on exactly how this node works out. I'll update you guys on the airdrop information. You can jump into my Discord to learn a little bit more about that and, you know, get updates and things along those lines in regards to that. But I'll leave this video here, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.